What is custom code? To answer this question, let's begin with a metaphor. Imagine that code is a vehicle. A red Corvette Sports car. You might say to yourself, I want this red Corvette Sports car. So I will put the car together, build the engine, paint it, install all the electronics, and then get it entirely road legal, and become responsible for driving it, and maintaining too. That means if the car breaks down, and it requires fixing, then you will be solely responsible for fixing the issue. Or you would have to hire someone to take that responsibility on your behalf. This is the definition of custom code. As you can see, developing custom code is time-consuming and complicated to create, maintain and change. The key advantage is that it can be used to support any use case and also a point-to-point integration. Custom code comes in many shapes and forms. Often, custom code is used to connect two systems together, thus known as point-to-point integration. This type of integration normally requires developers to build custom code between numerous applications, systems, data, and devices within the enterprise. Point-to-point integration quickly and easily enables communication between data and also creates a one-to-one connections between data. Only cons are that it is not future-proof and does not scale due to its spaghetti architecture that creates a system that is tangled, fragile, and difficult to maintain long-term. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, share, comment, and like.